Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can make an easy Valentine's Day card. You will need the following items. First, you'll need a hole punch. I have a crocodile and I'll be using the smaller hole punch side. Then you will need adhesive. I'm using Tombow permanent adhesive. You'll need a stapler. I have a Making Memories mini stapler and yellow staples. You'll need some brads. I have red heart-shaped brads. Then you'll need some patterned paper. I'm using some Valentine's Day themed double-sided patterned paper. And you will need some Valentine's Day themed stickers. Here's a sample of a card when it's vertical, and you can also decide to make it horizontal. You'll need some cards and envelopes. Okay, so first what you're going to do is get your 6x6 patterned paper, and you're going to cut it in half. So that's 3 inches. And then you're going to cut off 1 inch. Then you're going to get the card and fold it in half. And you're going to get your patterned paper, choose a side that you want to use, and then apply adhesive and place that down on the card. Then you're going to get the smaller piece and choose the opposite pattern and apply adhesive to that. Then you're going to get your Instax photo and decide where you'd like to place that on the card. And then let's see, get your stapler and decide where you would like to staple it. And you can also staple it on the bottom, you can tape it, or you can use adhesive on the back. Then you will choose which sticker you would like to put on the card and place the sticker where you would like it. And then get your crocodile to decide where you would like to put the eyelet. Punch that. And then get your eyelet. And just place that in. And that's it. A quick little easy Valentine's Day card that's perfect for class parties. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.